If you love growing blooming plants and want to try something unique, these water flowers that grow in containers and vases should be your pick. 1. Water hyacinth. Water hyacinth is a beautiful floating plant that drifts on the surface of the water. This invasive plant features a rosette of leathery, round, waxy, glossy green leaves attached to a spongy stem and dark feathery roots suspended in the water below the plant. It produces purple color flowers and grows in USDA zones 8B through 11. 2. Caribbean spider lily. The elegant, pure white, vanilla fragrant flowers open up in the shape similar to spiders. It blossoms from midsummer to late fall. This plant does well in full sun to partial shade. You can start its bulbs in the water. 3. Iris. This semi-aquatic plant favors shallow water that adequately covers its crown. You can grow it in any type of decorative container and it'll look good. 4. Tulips. Tulip bulbs can also be grown in the water by choosing healthy, large, firm bulbs. Fill a tall, clear vase with a small amount of water and place some pebbles in the bottom. Keep the water a quarter to a half inch from the bulb bottom. Never allow the water to touch the bulbs. 5. Hyacinth. You can grow hyacinth bulbs in a water-filled, transparent vase. Just make sure that you're submerging the bulbs in a way that the water is not touching them. The process is the same as tulips. 6. Amaryllis. Amaryllis is a bulbous ornamental plant that can be grown in the water without soil. Place some pebbles in the jar and keep the bulb in a stable position. 7. Water snowflake. Water snowflake is a member of the water lily family. It features small leaves and blooms that resemble snowflakes floating on the water. You can easily grow it in small to medium-sized wide pots. 8. Perry's Baby Red. Perry's Baby Red is a lovely variety that displays scented red double blooms with ornamental pads. This small aquatic plant is best for vases and terrariums in the initial stage, and later you can transfer it to a small water garden or into a container. 9. Miniature yellow water lily. Hellevola offers upward curving yellow-petaled cup-shaped flowers and round green leaves. The plant does well in a 15 to 18-inch container, and it flowers continuously from summer to fall. 10. Lotus. Growing lotus in a medium-sized container is possible. You can start it in a big tub or half barrel. Just make sure that you're lining up the bottom with 3 to 5 inches of soil so that the tuber stays buried while the flower floats atop the water. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.